Hi, I'm Arit. I'm a leadership and careers coach, and I am on a mission to empower people to build careers they love. I absolutely love the work that I do. So on one side, I get to play the fairy job mother and match individuals to companies and jobs they never thought they could get. And then on the other side, I get to work with employers and help them create inclusive environments where people can shine. In this series, we are going to get the nation back into work. But even more than that, we want you to land your dream job. If you want to land your dream job, boost your confidence by writing a list of your wins and successes, and practice your virtual interview skills with a friend. Record yourself and then play it back so you can see how you come across. Competition for jobs has intensified over the last year. In fact, there's been a 106% increase in the number of applications for every job. I'm a first-generation immigrant of Nigerian parents, but I'm a Geordie girl born and raised in the Northeast. I spent part of my adolescence in foster care, and I am uber passionate about helping others build careers they love too. The Music Industry Apprenticeship Scheme aims to give up to 15 young people from diverse backgrounds the opportunity to fast-track their careers, and here's how you can apply. If you are doing the same job you did last year and wondering why your life is no different, enroll in Power Up. So the shorter and more concise you can be, the better. Recruiters are like people. Sometimes if you see 4 pages worth of CV, you can swipe to the left.